Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the fortune set. There are two. There's the Verdant Trails and Wind Whisper. So to get the set in Heartopia, you'll need to just basically buy a lot of clothes to fill the points here. It's easier to get sets honestly, so if you see these sets in store like the chef one and stuff like that, just purchase it so it will add more points. So as you can see, you'll get the earmuffs here, and then the arm warmer, the boots, the dress. It does take a long time to go there though. Before you could only get the collector. Where is it? The collector set, I think. The explorer set. And I'm not even done to finishing. I'm not even okay. I just need one more item to finish the set, which is to here. I just need the backpack to complete the explorer set, but to get the fortune set, I'll need to buy a lot of clothes as you can see. And I don't know how long that will take. So yeah, the only suggestion I have is for you to just buy clothes from Dorothy store. It doesn't have to be an outfit that you have to actually purchase. But it does help add to the point if you do want to purchase some outfits. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!